Right, we'll start. Right now, today I was unable to start at 8 o'clock because of raining, and the thing is, my Zoom package was expired. Okay, that's the issue. But we'll start. Huh? We'll start. Students, up to now we have completed. Okay, up to now we have completed until chapter 8. Until chapter 8 in grade 10 syllabus. Background of business, business environment, business organization, introduction of accounting, accounting equation, dual impact of transaction, payment books, cash book and petty cash book. Right. Today we'll start bank account and bank reconciliation. Okay, chapter 9. Already we have discussed chapter 11, trial balance. Okay, again we will discuss. Remaining lessons are chapter 9, 10 and 12. Okay, today we'll start chapter 9. Bank account and bank reconciliation statement, one of the critical topic, critical topic. But I will give you the logical idea of preparing bank reconciliation statement. Again, I will give you the logical idea of preparing bank reconciliation statement. So try to get the logical idea. No need to cram anything in syllabus. Okay, try to get the real idea of bank reconciliation statement. Okay, right. Then under chapter 9, bank account and bank reconciliation statement. At first, we will discuss some of the questions. Then through questions, I will explain some of the points. Okay, through questions, I will explain. Okay, later we will look at the theoretical matters available in the tube. So in the textbook. Okay, at first, using our tube, we will discuss questions. Okay, questions. Right. Then Ramai, go to the tube. Already I send you workpack 5. Already I send you workpack 5 to get the printout. Okay, workpack 5. Workpack 5 include bank account, bank reconciliation. Chapter 10, purchase journal, sales journal, general journal. Chapter 11, trial balance. Chapter 12, correction of errors. Okay, last tube of your class. Okay, right. Then get the tube will start. Right, students. In a commercial bank, we can start 3 types of accounts. In a commercial bank, we can start 3 types of accounts. In a commercial bank, okay. What are the commercial banks available? Sampath Bank, HNB Bank, Commercial Bank, HSBC Bank, People's Bank, BOC Bank, commercial banks. In a commercial bank, we can open 3 types of accounts. One is fixed deposit account. For a specific period, we can deposit some amount. Fixed deposit account. Tisasna, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. You send me the tube again because because when I was download it was file is not longer available. Last week it man last week man tutor damma मैं print out करना है क्या no longer available है ना मम्मी काली बड़ा last week के दमा मांगे को forward करा अच्छा तुम check the group check the group Hi. Then in a commercial bank, we can start 3 types of accounts. In grade 11, we can discuss. Okay, fixed deposit account, savings account and current account. Fixed deposit account, savings account and current account. Another name for current account is bank account. Okay, here we call it as bank account. Okay, bank account. Fixed deposit account, savings account and current account, or bank account. Okay, here we call it as bank account. These are the three types of accounts: fixed deposit account, savings account and current account. If we open a current account, we can transact using checks. Checks transactions can be done through a current account. If you have a current account, we can transact via checks. In current account, we can deposit cash. In current account, we can deposit cash, as well as we can deposit checks. And then if you want to make any payment, you need to issue a check. Then by issuing a check, you can arrange required payment to supplier. Okay, by issuing a check, you can arrange payments. Okay, right. Then in current account, we can deposit checks as well as cash. Then if you want to make any payment, you need to issue a check. Okay, the technical term is current account, but here we prepare bank account. The bank account is current account. Okay, the bank account is current account. Okay, the bank account. Bank account is current account. Right. Then we will start. We will discuss through first question how to prepare bank account at first. Okay, at first we will discuss how to prepare bank account, and then in question number 2 also. I have included the method of preparing bank account. Then question number 3 onwards, we can discuss bank reconciliation statements. One of the critical lesson. Okay, last day we were unable to do the class because of raining, and Friday also we were unable to do that class because of I think I had classes. Therefore, I was unable to come home early. Okay, therefore last Friday I was unable to do the class. Right. Okay, right. But today we'll discuss. We'll discuss at least first question. First question, no second question. Right. Right, in here, in current account, we can deposit checks as well as cash. Then if you want to make any payments, you can issue checks. Okay, students, for a business organization, we need to prepare cash book. For a business organization, we need to prepare cash book as well as petty cash book. We need to prepare petty cash book. Already we discussed the method of preparing cash book, the method of preparing petty cash book. I gave you the logical idea of preparing double entries, preparing cash book as well as required ledger accounts. I give you the logical idea. Students, double entries are the most important thing in O-level commerce. If you know the double entries, you can manage questions. Okay, right. Then through cash book and petty cash book, we discuss so many double entries. Okay, right. And then we can prepare cash book, petty cash book as well as bank account. In a business, we can prepare bank account. Bank account is what? Transactions conducted with the bank, we can record in bank account. It means check transactions, especially check transaction. Okay, if you have a current account, you can transact via checks. Then especially we record checks transaction in bank account. Checks transaction as well as cash transactions. Right. Especially checks transaction. Business can maintain two types of cash books. First one, cash book. Second one, petty cash book. Third one, bank account. Bank account also cash book, one of the cash book. Okay, available money in the business, you can deposit in a current account. Then, through current account, you can manage cash. One of the tool in a business organization to manage cash is bank account, maintaining bank account. You can deposit available cash available checks in bank account. If you want to make any payment, you can issue a check. So bank provide us a good service. They handle our money. They handle our money. One of the service provided by a bank to us. Okay, maintaining current account. Okay, bank manage our cash. Bank manage our funds. Then through a piece of paper, through a check. Check means one of the piece of paper. Through a piece of paper, we can manage. We can manage our cash available in bank. Okay, right. Right then here, assurance. Already we have discussed cash book, petty cash book. Right. Today we discuss bank account. Bank account format is 100% similar to bank account format is 100% similar to cash book format. The only difference is heading. Only difference is heading. Okay, cash book format is 100% similar to bank account. The only difference is heading. Otherwise, no difference. Cash book format we can use to bank account as well. Same format. Same format. Okay, right. Then last day we tried to start a question, but because of rain, I think we were unable to do that question. Quickly go to question number 1. Quickly go to question number 1. Okay, I send you the tute to the group again. Please get the printout. Please get the printout. I go to question number 1. Bank account and bank reconciliation, chapter 9, question number 1. Quickly prepare cash book as well as a bank account. As well as a bank account. Cash book format is 100% similar to bank account format. Therefore, you can use same format to prepare bank account. Quickly prepare cash book and bank account. Yes, this Asna, right. Yes, last day we prepared cash book, cash account and bank account. If you haven't prepared, quickly prepare a cash book as well as a bank account. My whiteboard space is not enough, therefore last day I used an Excel format to do the question. I will draw required ledger accounts on the whiteboard, and I will use Excel sheet to prepare cash book and bank account. My space is not enough. I quickly draw cash book and bank account. Right. I think last day you prepared the structure of cash book as well as bank account. Here, look at the question number 1. Umesha's business had the following balances as at 1st June 2023. What are the balances available? What are the balances available of the business organization? 1st June 2023, opening cash balance 196,000. Opening cash balance 196,000. Okay, opening cash balance 196,000. Opening cash balance 196,000. Okay, right. And then students, quickly prepare debtor account and creditors account. Quickly prepare a debtor account and creditors account. We will use T account format. We will use T account format. We will use T account format. Prepare debtors account and creditors account. Last week we have done now. Last week we have done the structure. Right. Prepare debtor account and creditors account. Isn't do you have the soft copy of the due? Isn't do? Isn't do? ඔයාගේ ළඟ තියෙනවද soft copy එක තියෙනවද? මම ඉවරක් තියෙන්නේ. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න ඕන. grade 11 ද 10 11 නේ. ඉසිදු පොඩ්ඩක් මේක බලන්න මේ grade 11 බලන්න මේ group එකේ තියෙනවා. right. 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 තමයි quickly draw debtor account and creditors account. Question number 1 question number 1 chapter 9 debtors account and creditors account. Debtors account and creditors account. Here debtors account opening balance is 82,000. Debtors account 1st June balance brought forward. Debtors account how much? 82,000. Debtors assets of the business assets. Debtors assets opening balance from the debit side. Balance brought forward debit side 82,000. And then creditors liabilities 1st June balance brought forward from the credit side 95,000. 95,000. Okay, debtors opening balance 82,000. Creditors opening balance 95,000. Okay, there. Okay, then. Right, done. Passer, okay, passer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Setum, okay, Setum.
Okay, sir.
Right, manager, done, manager.
Done.
Right, Ranita, okay, there. Isra, okay, Isra. Manager, okay, then. Finish, manager.
Yes.
Yes, Hasid, okay, the Hasid.
Yes, sir.
Right, now quickly go to right here. Cash book opening balance 196,000. Debtor account opening balance 82,000. Creditors account opening balance 95,000. Right, opening balances we have recorded. Right, go to first transaction. The following transaction have taken place during the month of June. During the month of June. Right, now we will record all the transactions. All the transactions. Right. Look at the question. Look at the question. 2nd June. Open the bank current account by depositing 20,000. By depositing 20,000, open the bank current account. Open the bank current account. Then pass a double entry. Because of this, the first transaction, this was not cash inflow or outflow from the business.
Outflow.
Yes, outflow. Then cash book credit. Cash outflow, cash book credit. Cash inflow, cash book debit. Here cash outflow. Your business organization deposited 20,000 in bank current account to open the yes, deposited 20,000 in bank to open a current account. Cash outflow from the business. Cash outflow. We have deposited 20,000 in HNB bank. HNB bank. Then cash outflow. Then cash book. This is a cash book debit or credit.
Cash book credit, bank account debit.
Yes, yes. Cash account credit. Cash account credit 20,000. Cash account credit 20,000. 2nd June. Cash account credit 20,000. 2nd June. Description is what? Description bank. Description bank. Cash book credit 20,000. Cash book credit 20,000. And then bank account debit. Bank account debit 2nd June. Bank account debit 2nd June. Description is cash. Description cash. Amount 20,000. Amount is 20,000. Okay. Cash book credit, bank account debit. Right. Rushda, okay, Rushda?
Okay.
Okay, right. Then next transaction. Next transaction. Lamai, if you haven't get the printout, I can't share the screen. I can't share the screen time to time. You need to get the printout. Right. 3rd June. 3rd June. Received the check bearing number 455 from a debtor for 11,000. Received the check bearing number 455 from a debtor for 11,000. For 11,000, business received the check. And then next transaction, next one is what? Next transaction is what? Next transaction, 6 June. 6 June. Here, 3rd June, received check. 4th June, deposited the check. 11,000, that was received from the debtor. What is that? At first, they collected you. They collected check. After collecting the check, they deposited that check in the bank account. Lamai, after collecting a check by the bank, if you deposit that check in bank account on another day, then at first you need to record that check in cash book. Let's say today you collected the check, but tomorrow you are going to deposit the check in bank account. Then after collecting the check, if you do not expect to deposit the check in the bank account in today itself, then at first you need to record that check in the cash book. If you expect to that deposit that check in bank account tomorrow or day after tomorrow, then once you collected the check, you need to debit that check into the cash book. You need to debit that check into the cash book. Am I? In the cash book, we can record only cash receipt and cash payments. In a cash book, we can record only cash receipt and cash payments. But according to O-level syllabus in Sri Lanka, check received also we can deposit in cash. Okay, because of this transaction, the principle of cash book is violated. Normally, we can't deposit checks in cash book. But according to O-level, Okay, received checks we need to record as per in cash book. If you deposit that check in on another day in the bank account, no need to worry about that. Okay, here received a check. They are in number 455 from a data 11,000, and they have deposited that check on another day. Therefore, this received check at first we will debit into cash book until we deposit that check in the bank account. Okay, then 3rd June. Look at the 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 3rd June. Here I have 3rd June. I have 3rd June. Received a check. We are in check number 455 from debtor. Debtor. In front of the write down check number 455. Check number 455. Check number 455. Yeah. Check number 455, and then received amount how much? 11,000. Received amount 11,000. Then here students, cash book debit 11,000. Cash book debit 11,000, and then cash book debit 11,000, and then data account credit. Cash book debit 11,000. Data's account credit. Data credit. Quickly credit this 11,000 to data account. Cash debit. Data account credit. Data account credit. 3rd June. Cash 20,000. Okay. Cash book. Sorry. 11,000. 11,000. Cash book debit. Data's account credit. Okay. Right. Tami, is it clear? Tami.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Naditi clear. Naditi. Naditi clear or not? Naditi. Right. Next transaction. This one is transaction. 4th June. Deposited the check number 455 of 11,000 that was received from a debtor. Deposited means they have deposited the check in the bank account. Then how to go the transaction? Cash book credit, bank account debit. Cash book credit, bank account debit. Then 4th June, go to the cash book. Go to the cash book 4th June. 4th June, go to the cash book. Go to the cash book. Then cash book credit 11,000. 4th June. Cash book credit 11,000. 4th June. Yeah, bank. Bank, how much? 11,000. 11,000. And then bank account debit 4th June. Bank account debit 4th June. Cash 11,000. Cash 11,000. Cash book credit, bank account debit. Okay. Cash book credit 11,000. And then bank account debit 11,000. Inuki, is it clear? Inuki? Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Right, next transaction. Look at the next transaction. 8 June. 8 June. The check number 562, 16,000 that is issued for the sales has been deposited at the time of receipt. Now, 8 June, look at the transaction. The check number 562, 16,000 that is issued for the sales has been deposited at the time of the receipt. Once they collected 16,000 check for sales, they have deposited that check in the bank. 8 June. They no need to record the transaction in the cash book. Why? Once they collected, they have deposited the check in the bank. Therefore, no need to record in the cash book again. No need to record in the cash book here. No need to record in the cash book again. So directly we will record in the bank. Directly we will record in the bank account. Bank account here, 8 June. 8 June. Sales. They have received that check for sales. Sales in front of the write down. check number 562, isn't it? 562. Check number 562 here. Bank account debit 16,000. Bank account debit 16,000. Students, bank account debit 16,000 and then what? And then bank account debit and then bank debit and then sales account credit. Open a sales account. Open a sales account. Sales account credit 16,000. Okay, open a sales account. Sales account credit. Bank account debit. Sales account credit. Open a sales account. Please open a sales account. Sales account. Sales account credit 8 June. Bank 16,000. 16,000. Together. Bank account debit, sales account credit. Bank account debit 60,000, sales account credit 16,000. Okay, the done finished. Nadilia, okay, Nadilia.
Okay.
Okay, writing right. Venuja, is it here, Venuja? Right. Look at the next transaction, 12 June. Look at the next transaction, 12 June. 12 June transaction. What's the transaction, 12 June? Huh? Deposited cash of 10,000 in bank account. They again deposited 10,000 cash in bank account. Then cash book credit. Cash book credit 12 June. Cash book credit 12 June. Bank. Bank. How much? How much? 10,000. 10,000 and then 12 June. 12 June. Bank account debit cash. Bank account debit cash 10,000. Bank account debit cash 10,000. Okay, cash book credit 10,000. Bank account debit 10,000. Bank account debit 10,000. Right. Right. Look at the next transaction. Look at the next transaction. 15 June. Students, look at the next transaction. 15 June. What's the next 15 June transaction? 15 June transaction. Here, a creditor was paid by check number 301 amounting to 8,500 and discount of 1,500 was received. They issued 8,500 check to a supplier after getting a discount of 1,500. Then total settlement how much? Total settlement is 10,000. Total settlement is 10,000. They issued 8,500 check. Then check transaction where we record. Check transaction where we record. Where we record check transaction. Monali, where we record check transaction. Monali. Monali, where we record check payments. Monali. Tarun, where we record check transaction. Check payments. Where we record.
Cash book.
Bank account or cash book.
Cash book.
Bank account.
Bank account. Yo, me charlago me මොනවද මේ bank account එකේ කියලා chip payments දාන්න. දෙන්නක් කියවල නේද? හා? Bank account bank account. හරි ළමයි මෙන්න 15 June. Look at the 15 June. Look at the 15 June. Bank account credit. Bank account credit. 15 June bank account credit. Bank account credit. Bank account credit. Here they issued a check to creditor. Then bank account credit creditors. Bank account credit creditors. How much? 8,500. Value of the check is 8,500. Discount received how much? Discount received amount is 1,500. Discount received amount is 1,500. Okay. Bank account credit 8,500 as well as in the discount received column you need to record discount received amount 1,500. Discount received amount 1,500. Right. Then bank account credit. Now we will record in creditor account. Go to the creditor account. Go to the creditor account. Creditor account debit. Creditor account debit. Here, creditors account debit 15 June. Bank 8,500. Bank credit. Credit account debit. And then discount received amount 15 June. Discount received. Discount received 1,500. Okay. Then first the double entry of discount received. Creditor account debit. Discount received account credit. Discount received account credit. Okay. Creditor account debit. Discount received account credit. Discount received account credit. Later, total of the discount received amount we will record in the discount received account. Discount received account credit. Discount received account credit. Okay, ne? Right, ne? Clear, ne? Clear. Right. Asidu, is it clear? Yasidu, Yasidu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right. Right. Ishidu, is it clear? Ishidu? Hirodya, clear, Hirodya. Hirodya, is it clear, Hirodya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear.
Right, Lamai, look at the next transaction. 18 June. 18 June. Issued a check bearing number 302 for the payment of electricity bill 4,500. To settle electricity bill, they issued 4,500 check. Then how record? Bank account credit, electricity expense account debit. Bank credit, they issued check. Then bank account credit. Bank account credit. Then come I go to bank account, credit bank account. Credit bank account credit 18 June. Bank credit 18 June. Here, description is electricity. Description is electricity. Electricity description. We record a check number as well. 302. Check number 302. Huh? And then amount is how much? Amount is 4,500. 4,500. Then bank account credit 4,500. And then electricity expense account debit. Electricity account debit. Electricity expense account debit. Quickly draw electricity expense account. Bank credit, electricity expense account debit. Electricity expense account debit. Then prepare electricity account. Electricity account debit 4,518 June. Okay. Bank credit, electricity expense account debit 4,500. Hi. Setum, okay, the Setum?
Clear, sir.
Very right. Right. Devmi, clear, Devmi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right. Look at the next transaction. 20th June. What's the transaction? What's the transaction 20th June? The check issued for the payment of electricity bill has been dishonored by the bank. Now, what do we mean? Dishonored by the bank. Dishonored. Returned by the bank. Dishonored means what? Returned by the bank. Returned. Returned by the bank. Returned by the bank. What do we mean? Dishonored. Dishonored means what? Dishonored. Bank refused to pay. Bank refused to pay cash for that check. let's say Ramai like this. Dishonor means return check. Let's say you maintain your bank account in Sampath Bank. You maintain your bank account in Sampath Bank. Sampath Bank. Okay, you maintain this bank account in Sampath Bank. Then to the electricity board, you issued 4,500 check. You issued 4,500 check to electricity board. You should check to the electricity board. Then electricity board present this check to the Sampath Bank to collect cash. Electricity board provide this check to the Sampath Bank. Present this check to the Sampath Bank, and then Sampath Bank pay cash to electricity board. Pay cash to electricity board. But because of some reason, Sampath Bank refused to pay cash for this check to the electricity board. Sampath Bank rejected this check. They did not pay cash to electricity board because of some reason. Sometimes your signature may be wrong. Then sometimes you may not have a sufficient cash balance in the current account. There's no sufficient cash balance in the current account. Likewise, sometimes one of the error in the check, error in writing the check. Because of some reason, Sampath Bank refused to pay cash to electricity board. That is called dishonored of checks. Dishonored of check returns. Then here, issue check to electricity board, returned by the bank. Then issuance, the issued check, the previously entered transaction, you need to reverse. When you issuing a check to the electricity board, you have passed a double entry as bank account credit, electricity account debit. You have passed a double entry as bank account credit. Bank account credit 4,500, electricity account debit 4,500. That's a double entry. But our bank refused to pay cash to electricity board. Check return, issued check return. Then how to pass double entry? How to correct this double entry? How to pass double entry? You need to reverse the double entry. Reverse. How to reverse? Bank account debit 4,500. Equity account, electricity account credit 4,500. Reversal entry. Bank account debit and then electricity account credit 4,500. Right. Now we will record returning of check. Rushda, is it clear? Rushda.
Yes, sir.
Tanvi, is it clear? Tanvi?
Yes, sir.
Clear. Right. Ranita, clear? Ranita?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Then here, this check again, you need to reverse. The double entry you need to reverse. How to reverse? Okay, on 20th June. Then again, bank account debit 20th June. Bank account debit 20th June. Here, electricity. Reversal entry. Electricity again 4,500. Bank account debit again 4,500. Return check, and then electricity account credit 4,500. Electricity account credit. Bank account debit, electricity account credit. Electricity account credit 20th June. Electricity account credit 20th June. Bank 4,500. Okay then? Bank account debit, electricity account credit. Reversal of entry. Reverse entry. Again, electricity account credit 4,500. Right. Inoki, is it clear? Inoki?
Yes, sir.
Right. Look at the next transaction. Look at the next transaction. Next transaction. A check bearing number 415 was received from a debtor for 14,000. One of the debtor paid us 14,000 check. 40,000 check. So then at the end of the electricity expense account balance is 0. Yes, Setum 0. Yes, 0. Right. But later they issue another check. Right. Next transaction here. Check bearing number 415 was received from a debtor for 14,000. Then deposited that check on another day. Therefore, at first we will record the check in the cash book. At first we will record in the cash book. Then cash book debit. Cash book debit. Prepare cash book. Sorry. Go to the cash book. Cash book debit. Cash book debit. 20th June. 20th June. Cash book debit. Cash book debit. Debtor. 415. 14,000. 14,000. Cash book debit. And then debtors account credit. Go to debtors account. For a cash book debit, debtors account credit. Debtors account credit. $14,000. Cash book debit, debtors account credit. Cash book debit, debtors account credit. Debtors credit, 40,000. And the next transaction, deposited the check number 450 received from a debtor. This received check they deposited in bank. At first they debited that check into cash book. And now from the cash book you need to remove that amount. Then cash book credit, bank account debit. Cash book credit, bank account debit. Okay, then insurance, go to the cash book. Go to the cash book. Okay, how to record the double entry in the cash book? Cash book credit 14,000. Cash book credit 14,000. 26 June. Cash book credit. Bank. How much? 14,000. And then bank account debit 14,000. Bank account debit 14,000. 26 June. $14,000. Right. Extra is clear extra. Extra is clear extra. Can you clear down me?
Yes, sir.
Bank account credit. Sorry, cash book credit, bank account debit. Bank account debit.
Yes, sir.
This is right. I look at the next transaction. Next transaction. What's the next transaction? Here 26
Yes,
June
sir.
again. Sorry. Yes. Right. Then 28 June. 28 June. The check number 415 has been dishonored by the bank. Again, that check was dishonored by the check. Returned by the check. Returned by the check. One of the debtor paid us through a check. We collected the check from a debtor and we deposited that check in the bank account. But what will happen? Our bank was unable to collect cash from the debtor's account. Debtor's account. Debtor's account. Okay, the insurance here. Here, We received 40,000 check from a debtor and we deposited that check in a Sampath bank. Then we received a check from a debtor in the debtor's current account. The debtor's bank. The debtor's bank. Let's say a debtor maintain his account is HNB bank. Debtor maintain his account in HNB bank. Debtor. He provided us HNB bank check. HNB check. And then after receiving this check, we deposited that check in the Sampath bank. Sampath bank. But unfortunately, Sampath bank was unable to collect cash from HNB bank. Sampath bank sent this details to HNB bank. Then HNB bank need to pay that cash to Sampath bank. But because of some reason, Sampath bank was unable to collect cash from HNB bank. Sampath bank here cash collect කරගන්න බැරි වෙනවා HNB එකේ. හරිනේ? that is called deposited and return check. Deposited check. Deposited check. That 40,000 deposited, but return check. But return check. Deposited check, but return check. So you need to pass reversal entry. How to pass the reversal entry? Bank account credit, debtors account debit. Lamai, for this 450, for this 14,000, you need to pass reversal entry. You need to pass reversal entry. How to pass reversal entry for this 14,000? Bank account credit 14,000. Debtors account debit 14,000. Debtors account debit 14,000. Then students, credit cash book 14,000. 28 June. 28 June. Credit. Debtors. Debtors 14,000. Okay. Bank account credit 40,000 and then debtors account debit. Bank account credit 14,000 and then debtors account debit. Debtors debit. Debtors. Now I go to debtors account. Debtors account. Record this 40,000 in the debtors account. Debtors debit. Debtor balance again increased by 40,000. Debtor balance. Debtor 28 June. Okay. Debtors account debit. Bank account credit 14,000. Debtors account debit. Bank account credit 14,000. Tanvi, is it clear, Tanvi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right. Now I look at the next transaction. Next transaction. The check bearing number 632 was received from debtor for 5,300. The discount of 700 has been allowed. This check has been deposited at the same time of receipt. What is the 29 transaction? Look at the 29 transaction here. The check number 632 was received from a debtor for 5,300. Check value 5,300. The discount 700 has been allowed. After deducting 700 discount, one of the customer paid us 5,300 check. One of the customer provided us 5,300 check after deducting 700 discount. This check has been deposited at the same time. Once they collect that check, they have deposited that check in the current account. They no need to record in cash book. After receiving that check, they deposit in the bank. They no need to record in the cash book. No need to record in the cash book. Then how to record this transaction? 29 June. 29 June. At first, bank account debit. Bank account debit 29 June. Bank account debit 29 June. 29 June. Bank account debit. June, bank account debit. Here, debtors. Debtors. Check number 632. And then here, received check amount 5,300. Discount allowed amount is 700. Okay. Bank account debit. Bank account debit. Okay. 5,300 and then debtors account credit. Go to the debtors account. Go to debtors account. 29 June. 29 June. Debtors account. Debtors account. Debtors account credit. Bank 5,300 and then discount received 700. Discount received amount 700. Amount 29 June. Discount received 700. You need to record 700 also in the bank account. Here debtors credit 5,300. Discount received credit 700 and then discount received account. Discount received amount. You need to record in the bank account. Sorry. Now discount allowed. Yes, clear. Discount allowed. Then here discount allowed. Discount allowed. Sorry, discount allowed. Then debtors account debit 5,300. Sorry, bank account debit. Debtors account credit. Then it's 700 now. Discount allowed. This is not discount allowed. Okay. Debtor credit. Discount allowed account debit 700. Right. Students, we recorded all the transactions conducted with the bank and conducted with the cash book. We have recorded all the transactions. Right. Do you have any transaction? Do you have any issue regarding the transaction? Regarding the question? Devni, question is clear or not, Devni?
Clear, sir.
Clear. Kiribathgoda clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Inuki clear, Inuki.
Yes, sir.
Right. Isra clear, Isra.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ishinu clear, Ishinu.
Yes, sir.
Right. Monali clear. Right, Lamai. Then quickly we'll balance off these ledger accounts. We'll balance off these ledger accounts. Right. Then draw two double lines here. Draw two double lines here. Two draw double lines. Please draw two double lines here. Two double lines, Two double lines. Right, Lamai, then discount allowed total amount you need to record here. Discount allowed total amount. In the cash book also you need to balance off. Cash book also you need to balance off. Right. In the cash book, we can't see discount allowed and discount received, but in the bank account, we can see discount received and discount allowed in the bank account. Okay, there. Please write down discount allowed amount 700 here, and then discount received amount 1,500 here. Discount received 1,500 here. Discount received. Right. Students, then what's the double of this 700? Discount allowed? This 700 already you have recorded in the debtors account. This 700. Okay. Debtors account carries 700. Debtors account carry. That 700 debtors credit. Then this 700 you need to debit into discount allowed account. Discount allowed account debit. Similar to cash book. Similar to cash book. When you prepare a cash book, you have done similar thing, same thing. Then here the 700 discount allowed account debit. Discount allowed account debit. Prepare discount allowed account. Discount allowed account debit 700. 700 here 30th June. 30th June debtors. Distribution is debtors. Discount allowed account debit 30th June debtors 700. Debtors 700. Debtors 700. And then balance and then in the credit side you can see discount received amount 1500. Then discount received amount also here creditors account debit discount received account credit creditors debit then discount received account credit discount received account credit 1500. 30th June you need to record at the end of the month total discount allowed and total discount received you need to pass double entries at the end of the month. Here 30th June discount received creditors you have received discount from creditors 1500. Okay, creditors 1500, right? Creditors account debit discount received account credit creditors account debit discount received account credit. That's a double entry. Right, Lamai. Now you can balance of cash book and bank. Quickly balance of cash book and bank account. Okay. No need to balance of all the other ledger accounts. Okay. Balance of only cash book and bank account. No need to balance of others, huh? Oh. Tisasna closing cash balance sama Tisasna.
69,000.
69,000, eh? Yes. No, sorry, no. Closing cash balance
Sorry, 166,000.
yes 166,000, huh? Closing cash balance. And then quickly balance of the bank account. Bank account debit side total amount how much? 80,800. And then transfer that amount to credit side 80,800. And then 80,800 minus these balances 27,000. Total bank account payments 27,000. Then 80,800 minus 27,000. $53,800. 30th June. Balance carried down. And then 1st July. Balance brought forward 53,800.
Sir, the BBF for the cash account?
BBF, all right. Nugegoda. 1st July. BBF. Right, okay, there. Okay, done. Kiribathgoda, okay, finish Kiribathgoda. Right. Tanvi, okay, Tanvi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Venuja, finish, Venuja.
Yes.
Yes, Yasidu done. Okay, Yasidu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. 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 Lamai, we will get 10 minutes break. Right, Lamai, question number 1 we have discussed. Now we will start question number 2. Now we will start question number 2. I will give you an idea to complete question number 2. And after that, you can do the question at home. Okay. For the question number 2, Tisasna, can you hear me, Tisasna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rushda, can you hear me, Rushda?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Then, students, for the question number 2, I will give you some idea. Here, for the question number 2, you need to prepare bank account, cash book, relevant ledger accounts, and then trial balance also. Trial balance we discussed in grade 10, chapter 11. But with question number 2, you need to prepare trial balance as well. Trial balance as well for the question number 2. If examiner asks you to prepare trial balance, then given balances should be equal. Opening balances should be equal. If examiner asks you to prepare the trial balance by providing opening balances as well, then opening balances of the business should be equal. Here you can see opening balances for the question number 2. For the question number 2, you can see opening balances. Examiner කිව්වොත් එයාට මේ trial balance එකක් හදන්න කියලා ඒ දීලා තියෙන opening balances equal වෙන්න ඕනේ. මේ තියෙන opening balance මේ තියෙන cash balance, debtor balance, capital, creditors. These are the opening balances. These opening balances equal. Should be equal. Equal means what? Equal means opening assets of the business. Opening assets of the business organization should be equal to opening equity and opening liability. Opening assets of the business should be equal to opening equity and opening liability. Opening balance should be equal. Opening balance should be equal means opening assets of the business should be equal to opening equity and opening liability. Okay, then in this question, cash balance opening assets, cash opening assets, cash opening assets, cash. Debtors also opening asset, debtors 180,000 debtors. Debtors 180,000 opening asset, debtors. Capital, you need to calculate capital. Creditors, opening liability. Creditors opening liability 90,000. Creditors opening liability 90,000. Now here, opening assets of the business, how much? Opening assets? 300,000. Opening assets 300,000. Opening equity, you need to calculate. Opening equity means opening capital. And then opening liability 90,000. Okay, opening balance should be equal.
But 210,000 is the equity.
Yes, very good. Yes. Then here, from the opening assets, now you can deduct opening liabilities. Then 210. Opening equity of the business, 210. The balance belongs to owner. For example, in your business organization, available assets 300,000. Available liability 90,000. Then from available assets, you can deduct available liability. Then assets minus liability 210. Equity 210. Equity means the balance belongs to owner. In your business organization, from total assets, you can deduct total liabilities. Then remaining balance belongs to you. You are the owner of the remaining part. Here, opening balance 210,000. Right, then students, when you prepare in this question, when you prepare in ledger accounts for this question, you need to open the capital account as well. Then in the capital account, opening balance is 210,000. Opening balance is 210,000. Okay, you need to prepare a capital account for this question. Then in that capital account, opening balance is 210. Then opening balances should be equal. Then the opening balance is equal. Okay, you can record cash balance, debtor balance in relevant accounts. And then creditors account also. Creditors amount also you can record in the relevant creditors account. Then capital 210,000 we can record in capital account. Then opening balance is equal. And after that, for all the transactions you need to pass required double entries. Okay, right. Am here? Opening equity balance how much? 210,000. Opening equity balance. Opening assets minus opening liability 210,000. Right. Then quickly draw cash book and bank account. Quickly draw cash. We are not going to complete this question today. I will give you an idea to start this question, and after that you can do this question at home. Therefore, quickly draw cash account and bank account for the question number 2. Quickly draw cash account and bank account for the question number 2. But now, cash book opening balance, okay, 120,000 cash book opening balance, and then debtors account, debtors opening assets. First May, debtors opening balance brought forward debtors 180,000. 180,000, and then capital account opening balance we have calculated. Capital account opening balance we have calculated. First May, balance brought forward 210,000. 210,000 balance brought forward, and then creditors account opening balance first May, balance brought forward 90,000. 90,000. Okay. Cash book opening balance we have recorded 120,000 cash book, and then debtors account opening balance 180,000. Today I was unable to charge my phone. Therefore, I can't connect my mobile phone to the Zoom now. Okay, ne? මගේ phone එක charge කරන්න බැරි වුණා. ඒ හින්දා phone එක connect කරන්න බැහැ. phone එක off වෙනවා පටස් කාලා. මොකද power consumption එක වැඩි Zoom වල. මොකද laptop එකේ cam එක open කරන්න බෑ මේකට. Right, ළමයි මෙන්න cash book opening balance 120,000, and then debtor account opening balance we have recorded, capital account recorded, creditors account balance recorded. Then you can continue the question. Now you can pass double entries for this question. Okay, you can pass double entries for this question. Complete the question at home. Complete the question at home. Try to pass all the double entries. Try to pass all the double entries and prepare the trial balance. Prepare the trial balance.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Hasindu. No, yes, Tarun.
Sir, how to record the transaction of 9th May?
9th May.
Yes. Second transaction.
9th May, right, below. Brought goods for the resale by issuing checks. Then bank account credit, purchase account debit. Bought goods means they have purchased stocks. Okay,
Yes,
the
sir.
purchase
Yes, sir.
account debit, bank account credit.
Okay, sir. Thank
Purchase
you.
account debit, bank account credit. Okay, right. Then complete the question at home. We will try to do the class next Tuesday sharp at 8 o'clock. Because of rain, today also we were unable to start at 8 o'clock. And other reason was my Zoom package was expired. Okay, so I had to pay to get the Zoom package. Okay, therefore it took some time. Okay, right. Next day we'll try to start at 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 o'clock or 7:30 or 8 o'clock. And we'll complete question number 2, and then next Tuesday we can discuss one of bank reconciliation question with question number 3. Okay, therefore please complete question number 2 at home and send me the answers. Try to balance trial balance. Okay, pass over the double integration, prepare the trial balance. Okay, so we'll issue for the day. We'll issue for the day. මගේ අර ෆෝන් එකේ බැටරි පොඩ්ඩක් මදි හින්දා අමාරුයි කරන්න. Right, අපි එහෙම කරමු. Right නේ, right. ළමයි we'll stop for the day. We'll meet again on next Tuesday. Right, right. Right, good night. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Nice day, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you. Good night. Okay, right. Okay, right.
I mean, 47ක් කළා